In this video series, you learn how to design this table from scratch. This first video is about creating the tabletop with threaded holes. In the next videos, you will learn how to create a leg and assemble it to the tabletop. Let's start in the Part Design workbench and create a new sketch. Select the XY plane to start sketching. Click on the small arrow and select the Centered Rectangle tool. Start at the origin and make both sides 350 millimeters long. Click on Close to exit this sketch. Now select Pad to extrude the rectangle. Select Symmetric to extrude it to both sides. Enter a length of 30 millimeters. Click on OK to apply the pad. Select these 4 edges at the corners while holding the Control key. Click on the Fillet tool and enter a radius of 50 millimeters. Click on OK to apply the fillets. Now select the top and bottom faces while holding the Control key. Select the chamfer tool. Enter a size of 5 millimeters and click on OK to apply. Now that the base shape has been finished, it's time to create a new plane to sketch on. First, click the eye icon next to the origin planes and select the XZ plane. Select Datum plane to create a new plane. Enter 45 degrees for the rotation around the Y-axis. Click on OK to create the new plane. Now select the new plane and create a new sketch. To hide all planes, click on the eye icons next to the Datum plane and the origin planes. Select the Polyline tool and draw this rectangular shape. Select 2 lines and add a perpendicular constraint. Repeat this for these other lines. Drag a vertex to see what is still loose. Another perpendicular constraint has to be added. Now the shape is completely perpendicular. Select the Dimension tool and add the following dimensions to define the shape. When the sketch is fully constrained, click on Close to exit the sketch. Here you see where the sketch is located. Click on the Revolve tool and choose Select Reference for the axis. Click on this sketch line and you see the preview changes. Click on OK to apply. Now it's time to create a threaded hole. Click on this face and create a new sketch. Then go to the External Projection tool. Select this circle to project it inside this sketch. Go to the Circle from Center tool. Click on the center point and create a circle with a diameter of 36 millimeters. Click on Close to exit the sketch. Select the Hole tool. Leave the first setting as it is and select Isometric Regular for the standard. Select M36 for the size. Leave the depth at 25 millimeters and for the hole type, select Modeled Thread. Finally, check this box to add a clearance. enter a clearance of 0.4 millimeters. This is ideal for 3D printed threads that need to fit together. Click on OK to apply. Here you see the modeled thread. To make the part stronger, a chamfer is needed. Select this edge and go to the chamfer tool. Enter a size of 5 millimeters and click on OK to apply. The next step is creating a polar pattern. Make sure to select all these 3 items in the design tree. Hold the Control key for this. Go to the Polar Pattern tool. Enter 4 occurrences and choose the base Z-axis as the rotation axis. The Z-axis is blue here. Click on OK to apply the pattern. The tabletop has been finished. Stay tuned for the next videos in this series. Consider subscribing if you like my content. Thanks. You might also want to check out my 3D printing channel. See you there. And if you like music, you might also want to check out this channel.